Welcome back to Main Streets and Back Roads. Today we're going to give you some of the updates we've done on our 1978 Fleetwood Prowler. When we picked this thing up, it had different mismatched wheels on it, needed new tires. So we went, ordered some new wheels, and had them custom painted as the painter called it, the quote-unquote doo-doo brown wheels. So the next thing we wanted to do for an upgrade was we decided to take the couch that pulls out into a bed and just make it a full-time bed. It's no use in sliding it in, sliding it out, getting the covers off, etc. every day. So we started by pulling the couch out to what would be a bed. What we're going to do is we're going to take and put some bracing, it's hard to see, put some bracing under here where you would get in and out of the bed. So what I did is I just made some, we call them eye brackets, out of small scrap 2x4s. And put them like this. And this is basically where I think we'll need a little bit more support. Okay, bed's all back to normal. All I did was I took and put a screw through the top to kind of hold that in place. So next up was a memory foam mattress, and to get that to the correct size we needed, I laid it out on the living room floor and let it expand for 24 or 48 hours. And then I took the original couch cushion, laid it on top, marked it with a Sharpie, and took an electric knife and just trimmed it real easy. And bam, just like that, brand new bedding. So we got some decorations right here from the local Dollar General, and the bedding set came from Target. The sheet set is just a brown sheet set. Got that off of Amazon. My good friend Dana in Minnesota handmade these little pillows here and also crocheted that one for us. We're going to put a link to her Etsy shop and her Facebook page down below. So Dana in Minnesota, you are awesome. But guess what? That's not everything. And since Dana was on a roll, we asked her to do another project for us. Ready? Drum roll. Drum roll. Curtains. The 70s are calling, and we answered big time. So if you're going to go camping in a vintage camper, you got to have a vintage grill.
We were lucky enough to find this in my grandmother's storage closet. It was brand new when we pulled it out of the storage closet. 1970s grill. If you love vintage campers too, or you camped in one as a kid, leave us a comment and tell us what you used to camp in or what you have now. Hit the subscribe button, like, and follow us for more videos.